Trunk lock. The all-new Toyota Hycross is equipped with the convenience of connected service. Thanks to the iConnect app, imagine if you could lock your car's trunk with a simple touch of a button. Is that even possible, you ask? Yes, the iConnect app makes it possible with the trunk lock feature. To access this feature, open the iConnect app. Scroll down until you see the additional features tile and tap on it. Now press and hold trunk lock for 1 second to lock the trunk. Sit back and relax as your car trunk will be safely locked. What if you want to double check whether the trunk is closed? The iConnect app provides a smart solution. All you've got to do is click on the View Status option above the Remote Services tile. The trunk option will display and confirm if it has been locked. Now, how awesome is that?